This is going to be our next movement on JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now take a look at this movement right here. First thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is, which is the current trend. Now we will take a look at it from the current trend perspective. So market once came to this level, which rejected, right? Then it made market to drop to this support level. The market was able to reject from the support level. Then market was able to push up to this resistance level. Then it dropped back to our support. Market was able to rally up to cut to our resistance, thereby giving us a false breakout, right? Market eventually corrected itself and dropped back to our support, right? Now market has been able to rally up to come back to our resistance, right? Now that we've gotten to this resistance, we will be looking for a sell setup that will make market to drop. So that is to tell you that our trend on EURJPY is a ranging market. So market is literally ranging, right? So since market is ranging, we need to go ahead and range with it. So now that we are currently at the resistance level, what we should be looking out for right now is a sell setup. Only go ahead and take the sell once you find the sell setup. If you do not see the sell setup, the best you stay out of the trade. So only sell once you get to the sell setup. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.